Welcome to Manjula Devi Murugesen Software Training Center. In this video, we are going to see about everything 3D. Okay, what are the designs we can do using everything 3D? We will see. Actually, everything 3D is a Aviva product. Okay, actually, Aviva first previously they released as a PDMS, Plan Design Management System. The latest version is everything 3D. Okay, let us go to the video. And actually in this thing we can see, so what are the items we can see. Actually this is my student project. Okay, see actually here done the project presentation also, that is in live only. You can see in my channel that. Okay, if you want to see that what he have done everything, you can see in that. Okay, actually this is demo video. Since this is a demo video, I will just use his project only. Okay, so here if you want to change the discipline, you can change your discipline here. And from structures, you can do sections, plate, walls and floors, stairs and ladder. In sections, to create straight sections, you can use single or continuous or repeat method. If you want curved, you can use this curved one, angle, ring, everything you can use and create your structures. Okay, and fittings. See here, you can see the fittings. For structure fittings you can create. And in plates you will create plates. Okay, rectangular plates or arc, ring types, disc type. In negative you will be removing the material. I want to have a hole. I want to create a hole in my plate. Using negative we can create the holes, and the fittings relevant to that plate we can see. Okay, then in walls and floors we can create walls. Okay, and floors also. In floors you can see floor and screed. Screed means sloped one. Okay, actually in the top roof they will be having slope to drain the water. Okay, for rainwater drainage. That thing is called screed. That then you can create. And if you want to remove material from floor, everything extrusion, using negative extrusion, you can do that. Okay, in stairs and ladders we can create stairs, handrail and ladders. Okay, see here, this is stair component. Okay, here you can see the ladder component and the handrails. Different types of handrails you can create. Then after creating your structures, you will be creating your equipments. Okay, so equipments means by default you can create new equipment or you can place the standard equipments from your library. Okay, actually the standard equipments will be there. No, I don't want that. I want to create my own equipments. You can create your own equipment. This are all created equipments only. By default it's not available. My student only created the new equipment. Okay, using this create primitives, predefined primitives you can create. Okay, various tools are available. Then piping. If you go for piping, you can create various pipings. Okay, so see, he has created piping and placed walls, everything you can place. Okay, it's easy actually. Creating pipe routing is easy. Just you can create head and tail, then place your elbow and drag, automatically pipe will be created. Next, after piping, we will be doing HVAC, that is ducting. Okay, actually ducting and all here not much. Okay, because this is main for piping software. So okay, so we cannot expect more. So simple items only be there. Okay, we will be having AHU, ducting, rectangular duct, round duct, everything you will be having. You can create that. And next one is cable tray and the cabling system. Okay, so cable tray is nothing but this. And the cable way also same, looks similar. Okay, you can create similar way. Then main difference from PDMS and this one is supports. You can see the supports for this. This in PDMS you need to create your own, but here no need to create your own. Already predefined supports will be there. You can use this support and create these supports. Okay, Okay, so using these tools you can design as per your requirement. What else you want you can design. Then after designing, actually I want my this thing, piping I will go for. I want ISO draft. So simply I select pipe and create it here itself. Okay, so here you can see pipe isometric. Click pipe. PDF file will be created. So here you can see your isometric drawings. Okay, see. So from where its connection is there, from where is T is used, what are the things here they have used walls, everything. Okay, so what are the materials used. So where it is connected. Pipe, what material is used, what grade, fittings, what are the grades, flange, erection material, what are the component, gasket, this and all at side. Okay, say for gaskets how much gas is used, everything you can see. Okay, this thing and all we didn't give, just we given the used walls. Okay, automatically it will place the flange, everything, and every items it will place automatically. Actually I don't want this in my different this thing, I want in my own drawing. You can using system you can create your isometric view here itself. Okay, same entire layout. This is my isometric drawing. What are the components they have used. Okay, everything you can see. So what are the material? See, bolt and all, and automatically take how much bolt you have used, everything. It will give you the including bill of material. Okay, then from here we can go to other modules also. Actually, monitor, isodraft, draw. Okay, while opening it will be in a model. Now it says monitor. Isodraft, same thing, isometric drawing. And draw means we are going to convert that to a 2D output. Okay, including this thing. Okay, from 2D output you can export this to AutoCAD also. Everything you can do. That's all in this demo video. If you want to do certified training course, we have given the what are the courses available in description. You can check that and you can do the contact the number given in the description. Either you can WhatsApp or call that 2 numbers. We are given both 2 numbers. You can contact both the numbers or WhatsApp. Okay, if you have if you are having some comments, you can comment in our this thing. Okay, YouTube channel. Okay, and if you want to give more description, you can WhatsApp the descriptions also. Okay, subscribe our channel and share our channel. Thank you.